Hello students, today we see why can't we write the torque as E cross B, why we must write it as P cross E. We know when we place the dipole in a uniform electric field, the dipole experiences equal and opposite forces. So the net force acting on the dipole is zero, but the dipole experiences a torque. This torque rotates the dipole and this torque tries to align the dipole along the direction of the electric field. Once the dipole is aligned in the direction of the electric field, this torque becomes zero, and we know the torque acting on the dipole in a uniform electric field is Pe sin theta. The vector form of the torque is P cross E. Now the question is, why can't we write this torque as E cross P? What happens if we write the torque as E cross P? We know in the vector cross product, the direction is determined by the right hand rule, that is by placing the right hand fingers along the direction of the first vector and we curl the fingers towards the second vector gives the direction of the vector cross product. Here we assume the dipole is placed at theta angle to the electric field and the torque is rotating the dipole in the clockwise direction and it tries to align the dipole along the direction of the electric field. So when we write the torque as P cross E, according to the right hand rule, we place the fingers along the direction of the dipole moment and we curl the fingers towards the electric field. So this direction, the rotation of the dipole moment is same as that of the rotation of the torque. But when we write the torque as E cross B, we place the fingers along the direction of the electric field and we rotate the fingers towards the P vector, that is opposite to the direction of the torque. Here the torque is rotating the dipole in the clockwise direction, not in the anti-clockwise direction. So when we write it as E cross B, results the torque would point in the opposite direction, trying to rotate the dipole away from the electric field, which is physically incorrect for the torque produced by the electric field. So we cannot write the torque as E cross B. We must write it as P cross E.